So we're back. We're going to be putting this thing back together after what seems to be a long time. The lockdown's over. We've got all the bits and pieces to put it back together. So let's get it done. So we're ready to put this thing back together. We've got all the parts back. Before lockdown, I sent the head out to Marsh Motorsports to get a simple skim and just check to see if the head was okay. During that time, I also sent the cam to Calford Cams to get a re-grind, and I've just got serviceable parts to put this back together. So that's what we're going to concentrate on today. So at the end of the day, we'll have a assembled long block, and then I'll get into what I'm going to be doing afterwards. So here it is, all bolted up, the head's on, the
cam has been dialed in, and it's all buttoned up. So that's it really for this video, nice short one for you. The next video will probably be going into the injection, ignition and the turbo side of things. So keep your eyes peeled for that.